Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself to your family. I hope you're in a good condition by watching this video. I am Mary Joy Juanitez auntie, 24 years old, single. I live in 6B Katarungan Street, Plainview, Mandaluyong City. I am senior high school graduate. I have already one daughter. She is 4 years old. Also, I have one brother and 5 sisters. I am the eldest of our siblings. My hobbies are listening to music, singing, dancing, gardening, and cooking. I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, friendly, patient, and cheerful person. I work as a helper in Las Piñas City, Philippines. With the 4 members of the family, 3 adults and 1 kid, 11 years old. My duties there were cleaning the house, washing the dishes, washing and ironing the clothes, preparing the needs of the kid when going to school, arranging and organizing the things of the employer, preparing the food for the family. My second work as a helper in Malabon City, Philippines, with the 5 family members, 3 adults and 2 young kids. My duties there were washing and ironing the clothes, washing the dishes, preparing food for the family, gardening and watering the plants, car washing, care for the elderly, and care for the bedridden, organizing and arranging the things of my employer, cleaning and sweeping the floor and the comfort room. I can cook simple food for Chinese food, like steamed fish, steamed vegetables, fry, sweet and sour fish and chicken, noodles and soup. My relationship with my previous work were good. I treated them as my own family member, and they treated me as one of their family member too. Hello, ma'am, sir. I hope you choose me as a helper. I promise to do my best in my duties and responsibilities. I will love and take good care of your kids if you have. I will respect and treat your family as my own family. Thank you. Take good care and God bless your family.